up, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get notified anytime a new video comes up. Ring that bell. Alright, we're so excited.
So
we're all here.
So as some of you may know, our dad just went to Malaysia and he usually brings back some interesting food for us to try.
So
we have tons of food.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna open them.
Yeah, so
Brianne, would you like to go first?
My mom opened this,
but we have not tried it. Them opened it really late when we were sleeping, I think.
Yeah. So it's called digestibles.
Digestives.
I don't know. Something digestive. I don't know what it is, but
That's such a weird name.
yeah, I'm interested.
Digestives.
I'm opening it up. Oh, okay. Oh. They're like
Cookies.
Cookies, yeah.
Cookies and crackers.
Here, I got it.
Okay, we each need our own.
Okay, I got one. They're quite big. So this is like the front, and that's the back.
So this is the chocolatey side, and then this is like place with like the letters. So, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mmm. Ow.
Ooh, dark chocolate too.
Yeah, they're good.
But it's dark chocolate.
I give it a 10 out of 1. A 10.
I give it like
On a scale of 1 to 10, Payson, what would you rate it?
probably a 10.
Actually, no, a 9.
Really?
Yeah.
I would rate, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely rate it a 10. They're really
Yeah.
good. The
I
dark
rate it like
chocolate's
a 10 and a half.
Okay.
They're
was
very dry and crumbly.
they're crumbly, but they're not like super crumbly. But they're
Yeah.
crackers though.
Yeah.
It's crackers mixed with a cookie.
I forgot to mention, he always buys us foods and like not toys, but like pants, shirts. And here he bought us pants.
Yeah.
I got pink with stars.
I got pink ones.
I got teal blue.
And we also got tiny little razor phones. Are razor phones? Yes.
Okay.
Alright, Payson, your turn.
Next,
I'm
we
excited to
have
try these.
Yours hands are messy.
I
Lick
know.
it off.
Kaga dark orange. Do you want me to open it because your hands
Here's an.
Yeah, I need a napkin. Okay, sorry.
What are these?
Kaga
I
dark
got one.
orange.
Sweets need I own. Okay.
Swish chocolate wafer specialty.
This is what them look like.
Whoa, and the ends. You see that? But there's some. Ready?
1, 2, 3. I give it probably like
That is good.
a 30. I give it a 30.
These are really good.
A 10 out of 10 and 10.
So, this is what it looks like inside.
A 10. They're so good.
These like the chocolate orange.
Yeah.
Yeah. I give them a 10. What do you give them? A 20. A 20.
Yeah. I'll give it a 20.
Yeah, 20, but it only goes up to 10, so I go 10.
Wow, those are
I
good.
give it 20.
Those are good.
They're like soft. They're not like hard.
I
like
want
a Kit
another.
Kat. They're like a little
Me
bit
too.
softer. Hey, we have others.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
So we have. I love Kit Kats.
Me
My
too.
favorite.
I
And
like Kit Kat.
Kit Kats are like Kit Kats are everywhere. That they have tons of different flavors.
They have like, you can
Then-
make your. They have a Kit Kat shop, and you can make your own Kit Kat
Yeah.
flavor.
And them Lovekin's there.
Yeah. So this flavor is a
Is it
limited edition
Popcorn.
popcorn flavor.
I wouldn't expect.
I'm
I would
excited
not.
to open this.
I try popcorn.
I know,
flavor.
but I guess
I'm scared.
I'm really
She's
excited.
opening it.
Oh. Okay,
Yeah.
opened it.
How much packs did it come in?
I'm thinking I need to
Huh?
put- Wait,
Normal Kit Kat.
there's 2 in there.
You can probably all split one.
Yeah, this all.
How much
How
does
about
it
this
come
get-
in?
Here, let's
I
keep
don't
2. We can.
5?
Brianne, put that one back and we can split. Here you go.
Mm.
Hold on, hey!
Oh, I already had it. Look, too.
It smells weird.
Huh?
Let me
It does
smell.
smell weird.
Let me smell.
Alright, I'm ready to try
It
it.
smells like popcorn. It's
It just
good.
looks like a normal Kit Kat. But it
It's
smells.
good. More.
Hey, Brianne, we haven't tried
Yeah,
it.
you guys
Here,
can
let me
smell
have it
it.
to try it
yeah,
with you.
you guys can smell it. Eddie?
Set, go.
I already had it. I was too excited, so.
It's
I like it.
frothy.
Let me have another. Mmm.
Oh,
I give that like a 9.
I want another.
I like it. I'll give it a 10.
I'll give it 10.
I give it an 8.
Good.
I give it an 8.
I give it a 10.
I give it an 8.
I do not like this smell. That's what I'll say.
So this one, last one,
Nobody has opened it. What?
one's opened it.
All of them.
Well,
Cloud9 Wafer It Treat.
Mm.
This time, Brianne, we can try it at the same time.
Yeah.
okay, we'll try it on this. I'm so excited though. I'm so sorry.
Chocolate coated wafer with chocolate flavored cream.
That sounds good.
I am so excited.
I like
He
this
always
bit.
like brings us.
Give me one.
He
first.
always brings us back like. Last time he did like durian, which we didn't like. I feel like durian, and then we do like it. And then no, we don't. And then the next time he brings us something good, and then he brings us we don't like it. It just keeps going.
I'm going to get scissors. Oh, wait, there's someone here.
We'll have to go back and watch the other videos. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, you guys should definitely go check it out. There's scissors over here. She's grabbing.
I did not know that.
Give me one first.
Hold on, there's 4 in here.
4.
This
What?
is a
Give me
small
one first.
Payson.
Pieces.
Oh, this is where you opened it.
I can't see.
Here's one.
This is what it looks like.
Wait.
Ow! So it has
Here's
this like
two.
pattern.
What is inside? I want to try so bad.
Brianne, not now. Ready,
Um,
set, go.
Go. Okay. This one I give like a 100. I definitely give this one.
10.
I give this one a
Another?
100.
All of these are really good. Is there any more? Foods to try.
I want another.
Thanks,
So, that was really
really
good.
good.
Girls, what
My
was your favorite? The Kit Kat, the Kaga, the Digestives, or the Cloud9?
Mine was either this one or this one.
My definitely 2 favorites was this. This was really, really good. A Payson and this. These 2 things were my favorite.
My absolute favorite was probably the dark
Yeah.
Why
ones.
does everyone like this?
They were really good.
Yeah.
They reminded me of Kit Kats, except they weren't as like harder
Kitty cats.
as Kit Kats. They were more soft. They were really good.
My
Yeah.
favorite
That was my
was
favorite.
either this one or these.
My favorite was for sure these. Anyway, well, thank you so much, Dad. Thank you. Thank you
Give a
so much
thumbs
for
up.
watching.
Thank you.
Smash that subscribe button.
Give it a big thumbs up
and like
during
this video. Remember to turn on your notifications.
so you get notified
Every
anytime a
time
new
new
video
video
comes
comes
out.
out.
Ring that bell.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
And remember, kids, stay
Oily.
oily.
Bye.